I'm right now downtown San Francisco, P39, and let me present you two things. First of all is around gluten, and the other one is around air quality. Keep in mind that Meersens is a young startup which has an incredible solution around anything around you that may impact your health. So let's first check with the food right now. I just want to check if there's any gluten in this particular thing. So I'm just checking the barcode here. So I'm clicking here, and I'm going to get the details of if there is any gluten inside, yes or no. Now I can see clearly there is a high gluten for me, so I cannot eat this particular food. Second experience. Now I've also, to enhance your experience, you have the N box. It's full of captors. You can actually have different sensors, biosensors. This one is around PM 2.5. So I'm going to check the air quality around us. So I'm just plugging it here inside. And now I'm going to run the test of PM 2.5. Now it's searching, and in a few seconds I get the result. And here, as you can see, despite all odds, even though we are downtown San Francisco, the air quality is not that good. PM 2.5 is around 27.5, which is quite high, and my risk for my health is quite bad. So I'm not going to have running here or sport here. I will wait to go somewhere else. Meersens is a guardian of your health.
Meersens, the guardian of your health.